Good afternoon. We are going to do in this video two special angles calculation for 1022 and a half and 1011 is to 1 by 4 degree. Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 2 sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x, or sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x upon 2, or sin x could be written as plus minus under root 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Actually, we are calculating either 22 and a half or 11 is to 1 upon 4. In both the cases, these angles are going to be in the first quadrant, so answer will be plus and not negative. So we will avoid the negative sign. So sin x or sin 22 and a half degree will come out to be 1 minus one thing more. We can also write sin x upon 2 as 1 minus cos x upon 2, because this angle on the right hand side is double of the angle on the left hand side. Whatever is angle on the left hand side, the right hand side is just double. If it was x, it was cos 2x. If it is x by 2, it is cos x by 2. Similarly, if we use the formula for cos 2x in terms of cos x, so we will be able to find cos x upon 2 as 1 plus cos x upon 2. Is that clear? 1 plus cos x upon 2. So if I calculate the value of 10x upon 2 by dividing sin x by 2 by cos x by 2, what values will I get? I'll get the value 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. We used to get like 10x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x. But because I am using the half the angle, so obviously on the other side it will become double of that angle. X by 2 into 2 is x. Now I have to find half the angle, 22 and a half. Cos 22 and a half degree. So it will become 1 minus cos 45 upon 1 plus cos 45, because on the left hand side we are using the value of 22 and a half. The right hand side it will become double, cos 45, 1 minus cos 45 upon 1 plus cos 45. 1 minus 1 upon root 2 upon 1 plus 1 upon root 2, because the value of cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. So it will become actually root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1, because both the numerators, the denominator of the numerator and denominator of the denominator will cancel. Root 2 will be LCM, and that we will be able to cancel out. So cos 22 and a half actually is coming as root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1. We can simplify it further. How? If I multiply it by root 2 minus 1 and root 2 minus 1, what is the advantage? You will just realize that I'll solve it for you. When I multiply a denominator as well as numerator by root 2 minus 1, in the numerator I will get root 2 minus 1 whole square, because it is root 2 minus 1 into root 2 minus 1. In the denominator, a plus b, a minus b will be root 2 whole square minus 1 square. Minus 1 square. Root 2 whole square is 2, 2 minus 1 will be 1. So that means your denominator will be not there. So that is what the purpose of it was. What is the simplification? Why I'm writing 10. It has to be this is 10, 22.5 degree. So this will come out to be root 2 minus 1. So the value of 1022.5 degree will come out to be root 2 minus 1. This is the value which is important for you. Okay. Oh God, what have I done? Okay. Alright, so we have got the value of 1022.5 as root 2 minus 1. I need to correct it. Okay, let's cut it out. Write it in another color altogether. So 1022.5 degree will be equal to root 2 minus 1. That is the final answer for 1022.5 degree. Now let us calculate the value of the next. We had said we'll calculate the value of 10 is to 1 upon 4 degree. We have to calculate that. We have to calculate the value of 10 11 is to 1 upon 4. 10 11 is to 1 upon 4. Ten is to 11 1 upon 4 degree. We want to calculate now this. We know what is the value of 10 to theta. It is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Suppose I take theta is 11 is to 1 upon 4 degree. Then 2 theta will be 22.5 degree. So 1022.5 degree will be equal to 2. I will take it as x. Let me take it as x. 2 10x. No. I will take the whole 10x as 10 theta as x. Two 10 theta or 10 11 is to 1 upon 4 upon 1 minus 10 square 11 1 is to 4. For convenience, why for convenience? Every time 11 is to 1 upon 4 I am going to write. So I say substitute 10 11 is to 1 upon 4 degree as x. In place of that I will simply write x. And 1022.5 value I've just calculated is root 2 minus 1. So I'll write this as root 2 minus 1 is equal to 2x upon 1 minus x square. It becomes a simpler equation. It will become a simple quadratic equation. It will become in the sense that I don't have to write 10, 11 is to 1 upon 4 every time, because it is little tedious to write 11 is to 1 upon 4. So in place of 11 is to 1 upon 4, what I have done is, in place of 10, 11 is to 1 upon 4 degree, I have replaced it by x. So root 2 minus 1, 1 minus x square is equal to 2x. What will we get? Root 2 into 1 is root 2 minus root 2 x square minus 1 plus x square minus 2x is equal to 0. I shifted 2x to this side. Now let us see, x square if I take common, x square if I take common, I get 1 minus root 2 minus 2x plus root 2 minus 1. What I'll do is I'll change all the signs. Suppose I make it x square root 2 minus 1. Make it plus 2x. Make it minus root 2 minus 1. What has happened is these two will become same. These two will become same. Now it is a quadratic equation in terms of x. It is a quadratic equation in terms of x. X square constant plus 2x. It is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is a? A is root 2 minus 1. What is b? 2. What is c? Minus root 2 minus 1. So now we can calculate, apply the formula for quadratic equation and calculate the value of x. And if I calculate the value of x, that means I will be calculating 10 is to 10 11 is to 1 upon 4, and I am not writing 11 is to 1 upon 4 everywhere, because you can see the complication it would have created if I would have written everywhere 10 11 is to 1 upon 4 degree. It would have become too messy. So x will be equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula which we use for calculating quadratic equation. Now it is minus b, means minus 2 plus minus b square, that is 4, minus 4 into a is, what is the value of a? Root 2 minus 1. What is the value of c? Minus this, so it will become plus root 2 minus 1 upon 2 into a. A is how much? Root 2 minus 1. Now it is simple question of just calculation, which we are going to show you just now. It is minus 2, and since we are going to calculate 11 is to 1 upon 4, so I am going to take only plus sign, not plus minus. I am not going to take minus sign. Out of this 4, 2 will come out, and inside will be left 1 plus root 2 minus 1 whole square upon 2 into root 2 minus 1. It will become, we will take 2, we will divide everything by 2. It will become minus 1 plus root 2 minus 1 whole square will become how much? Root 2 whole square will be 2 plus 1 and minus 2 root 2 upon root 2 minus 1. What has happened is 2 is cancelled from everywhere. 2 is here also, 2 is here also, 2 is down here also. So it will become minus 1 plus, it will become 4 minus 2 root 2. It will become 4 minus 2 root 2 upon root 2 minus 1. This is the value of x. We are getting this as the value of x. Now again it is root 2 minus 1 in the denominator. So what I am going to do is I am going to multiply numerator as well as denominator by root 2 plus 1. because then denominator will go all together. The denominator will go all together. What I'll do is minus 1 plus 4 minus 2 root 2 upon root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1 and root 2 plus 1. Rationalization. In simple words, it is rationalizing. So when we rationalize it, it will become minus root 2 plus 1. And plus here what I write is, I'll write root 2 plus 1 whole square under root. What is the purpose? I'll just show you. 4 minus 2 root 2. And this will become 1. A minus b, a plus b, it will become a square minus b square, so it will become 1. And it has become whole square because I have put it under root. What is the purpose is that both these factors are under root, so they can be multiplied together. That is minus root 2 plus 1. And what I can write here is root 2 plus 1 whole square into 4 minus 2 root 2, and I'll simplify it further. I will simplify it further. How will I simplify it further? Just see it. Minus root 2 plus 1 plus root 2 plus 1 whole square will be what? Root 2 whole square is 2 plus 1 square plus 2 root 2. And this is 4 minus 2 root 2. 4 minus 2 root 2. So it will become minus root 2 plus 1 plus under root 3 plus 2 root 2 into 4 minus 2 root 2. Let us multiply them and leave the answer in that form. Minus root 2 plus 1 plus multiply it. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 root 2, 2 4s are 8 root 2, and then 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 will be 4 into 2 is 8. So it will become minus root 2 plus 1 plus 12 minus 8, 4, and plus 2 root 2. So the value of 10, 11 is to 1 by 4 degree is minus root 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2 root 2. 4 plus 2 root 2. Ten, 11, 1 is to 4 degree will be equal to minus root 2 plus 1 plus under root 4 plus 2 under root 2. I know it will appear to be a little difficult to remember, but once you will use them, you will get used to it. Now I will mark what is important, what are the most important point here in this formula. We started with this. This is important. 1022 and a half is equal to, of course, this formula is important, this is important, and this is important. We replaced it by x. Then this step is also important, where we change. This is important. This step is important. Then this step is important, where we have multiplied numerator and denominator by root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1. To remove the denominator completely. Then this step is necessary, where we have changed it to this form. This is important. That why we have done this. Just because we want to bring it in another under root. We want to bring it under root so that then we can multiply. And of course, then simplification is there. So 11 is to 1 upon 4 degree is equal to minus root 2 plus 1 plus under root 4 plus 2 root 2. I have got two formulas which I had to do with you just now. 1022.5 degree and half of that, 1011 is to 1 upon 4 degree. After this I'll do some more work on you, but in the next video. Thank you.